In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Start by launching Recorder app that's already on your Motorola, and before doing anything, tapping on those three lines at the top left corner. Then you can not only know for sure where all of those options like being are located, but also you can tap on settings at the bottom and adjust all of those before recording however you want to. When you finished, go back and use red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. If you want to, click on this option at the top. This is auto-transcription. It can be enabled or disabled in settings I just showed you. Anyway, if you want to end your recording now, just click on this square on the right. Name your recording at the top and hit save over here. As you can see, my recording was successfully created and transcribed. To listen to it, click on it, and to read the transcription, click on it here. You can even select summary and generate it if your recording is very long. To manage your recordings option, you can tap on all of those options at the top right corner. Pen 1 in order to edit your recording. For example, I will trim this section and then hit save and save this one as a copy. This one here, which will manage transcription. Those three dots that can help you navigate your recording a little bit more. For example, add it to favorites, add it to folder you can create in settings I just showed you, share it, rename it, delete it, and even see details of it. Now, you can also click on those three dots on the list and check out all of those options over here without clicking on your recording. If you want to restore any of your deleted ones, tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select bin. You can restore it by holding it and tapping on this arrow at the top. Then hit restore. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!